Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Beginning, and today we're going to see how to create the super thumbnail for your YouTube videos on the Canva design. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to create this minimal thumbnail with a gradient color, I just going to show. So it's simple. First of all, you just need to click on the shape option. Here you just need to insert this shape, which is called as you can see the square shape with a rounded corner. So then you just need to turn this like this and just click on the color option. Just choose any gradient color you just need it and just make the shape should be look like this. Just enlarge it like this square and just keep it like this. You can see how I just kept here. So just keep this shape here. Then you just need to duplicate this and just keep this here, and again go duplicate this and just keep it here, and just click on the shape color, or you can just change the color, or you can leave this as it. You can just change the every gradient color, so it will be look like this. It will have some color combination, so it will be look great like this. Then you just duplicate it again and just place here like this. You can just resize it and just place here like this. You can see how I just kept here. Then you just need to change the color, whatever color you just needed. Then make a duplicate it and just place here, duplicate it again, and just go on. So and just arrange the gradients if you just need it like this. So now everything is done. Then you're just going to insert the image here. So if your image is looking so bad, it doesn't have any clarity, don't worry, you just can make it still. Just click on the edit option and just go to the filters, and then you just need to select the black and white filter, which will be look great actually like this. And then you just need to insert the text you just needed. So here I just used as a leak spot10. The font I just use is leak spot10. Then I just going to the effect option. Here you just need to use the lift effect, so which lift this, and also you can just increase the intensity, which have a shadow on the background. Then you can just place the icon, any icon or symbol or any screenshot here, and you can just change the color into any color you just needed like this. So this is how I just created this image. You can just also use the design, going to the styles option to change using the color palette. You can just change the whole theme like this if you just need it. So I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.